Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch on your Redmi device without power button. The method is easy and simple. I have Redmi Note 13 right now. As I told you, this method is applied in all Redmi devices. All you need just a charger and a mobile phone. Before starting the video, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update, and also comment us further tips and tricks. Okay, let's start. Just press volume up button and then put on the charger. After that, this screen appear, then you just put off the charger and then leave the phone for some minutes, because it will be automatically select reboot option, just because the touch panel is not working right now. So leave the phone for some minutes. After some minutes, the phone is starting without power button. See, after approx 3 minutes, this window appear. It's mean the phone is switching on. As you guys see, this methods work 100%, but all you have to do is follow these steps. Otherwise, the method will not working. I repeat you guys, press volume up key and then put on the charger. After put on the charger, the windows appear, which means it's working. Then put off the charger and then leave the phone for at least 3 minutes. The phone will automatically select reboot option and then the phone starts switching on. So that's it about the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So it's a very easy method. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.